My job is to tell the story about this family. And if you care about this family, then you'll laugh with them, cry with them, and be scared with them. I have been witness to exactly what it takes to get my wife to commit to a movie, how insanely dedicated she is to all these movies that she chooses. And then one day we were on a plane together and she said, "Do you mind if I read the script?" And she read it, and I'll never forget, she turned to me and she looked sick. And so, like, before I could reach for a barf bag, she just said, "You can't let anyone else do this movie. I have to play this part." The truth is, it was the greatest compliment of my career.
Actually, I think because we are married, I think it was so beneficial to this movie and to this dynamic and this experience.